Ladies and gentlemen, can I please have your attention? And I need all of you to stop what you're doing and listen.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Miss Muskan channel. So those who are watching me for the first time, hi, my name is Muskan and I post content related to fashion, beauty and styling. So if you are new to my channel, it would mean a lot to me if you spend a second and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. So today's video is about dressing rules every girl should know. See, when I say rule, I don't mean that you must follow these things or you never be stylist. Instead, I mean there are some tips and tricks जो कि हम normally life में consider नहीं करते हैं, but if we do so, that will make a huge difference in our everyday outfit. So, without any further delay, let's get started. So, tip number 1 is complete your outfit before going out. So normally when we step out of the house, most of us are used to wearing top with a pant or with a pair of shoes, but adding some piece of accessories or jewelries or hair scrunchies can make all the difference and instantly elevate your outfit. And this is something that will take a couple of seconds, but you will end up looking more stylish. Tip number 2 is keep it simple. बहुत सारे लोगों को ऐसा लगता है कि अगर उन्हें फैशनेबल या स्टाइलिश दिखना है तो उन्हें बहुत ज़्यादा महंगे कपड़ों की ज़रूरत है या वो बहुत ज़्यादा खुद को एक्सेसराइज कर लेते हैं, यू नो, नेकलेस, ईयरिंग्स एंड रिंग एंड वॉच एट द सेम टाइम. बट नो, इट डजंट वर्क लाइक दैट. Less you accessorize, more you look stylish. To style your outfit, you don't need a lot, but yeah, you can stick to a simple, basic and classic things or classic pieces. Going more simple will allow you to incorporate more trendy items, and this is how some simple clothes can make you more looking more stylish and trendy, you know. Tip number 3 is go for nude color undergarments. I will suggest nude color undergarments over white because white or black bras are more see-through over light t-shirts or shirts, and nude colors will be less visible. So if you ever wonder what color you should choose for your undergarments, always go for the nude one, because I personally prefer the nude color undergarments with the reason that they are least visible. Last but not the least, tip number 4. Okay, now I know this is embarrassing, but मुझे हमेशा से यही लगता था कि आपको बेल्ट की ज़रूरत सिर्फ तब पड़ती है when you wanna tight up your jeans or pants. But could I be any more wrong? Because belt actually add little more to your outfit and that make it look like that you have put some extra effort to your outfit, and this is something you can go for, and this makes a huge difference. Even you can use a belt with your oversized dress, and even you can use a belt with a sari. Sari with a belt is a deadly combination, and I personally love it because it takes your look to the next level. And sari फिर साड़ी नहीं रहती, आपकी ड्रेस बन जाती है, you know. So this is something you can go for, and this is actually little efforts you can make and you will end up looking more stylish. So yeah, that's it for today's video. If you find these tips helpful, do share with your friend and like this video and comment because it keeps me motivated. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more such videos. Tab tak ke liye bye bye, stay safe.